Hello everyone, today I'll focus on nodal analysis based problems. Okay, so first problem is given our target determine node voltage corresponding to that node and that node. Okay, these are two nodes, our target Vx and Vy, basically our target. Okay, look here, this one is 1 ampere current upward direction, this one is 2 ohm, this one is 6 ohm, this one is 7 ohm, and that one is 4 ampere downward current direction, and that one is take reference node here already given. So our target, what about Vx and Vy? Clear? So first of all, if you see very carefully, okay, how can do? Look here, our target with the help of this question you can do with the help of nodal analysis. Okay, our target determine Vx Vy using nodal analysis. Okay, so if that were written with the help of nodal analysis, so you can do this question with the help of nodal. Okay, so if you apply nodal analysis, so simply how can apply? Look here very carefully. If you see that one, first of all, nodal analysis say decide node voltages. Okay, here Vx, here Vy, and this one is a reference voltage. One node has a take reference node. Okay, reference node means ductum node, or you can say that is reference to zero voltage. Okay, here already given zero voltage, that node. So what about that node voltage? Also zero, and that node voltage also zero. Clear? And here how many nodes? 1 2 3 4 nodes given. Okay, where more than two branches where connect, that is called node. So here that one node, and this one is also node. Here Vx and here Vy, and that node voltage is zero voltage. Why? Because this one is zero. Okay, no any resistance between these two. So these three are same. These three are represent same voltage, and if this one is a zero voltage, this one and this one is zero. I hope so clear. Why? That one and that one are zero. Next target. Okay, so first step clear. First of all, decide node voltage. Second one, branch current. Here 1 ampere current. What about branch current? Not given. So simply we have taken here simply I1, here I2, whatever you can, here I3, and in this branch 4 ampere are given. After that, okay, if need, though, so here also written I5 if need, otherwise no need, don't worry. Okay, to here I3. Okay, this branch is not needed here. Why? Look here. Third step, apply KCL. Okay, apply KCL at node X and Y. Okay, so you can say that apply KCL at nodes X and Y. If you apply KCL at node X, KCL means incoming current at that node, this will be equal to outgoing current. Incoming current in this node is how much? 1 ampere. Outgoing current is how much? I1 plus I2. Written I1 plus I2. And now in this node I2, this will be equal to written how much? I3 plus 4 ampere. Okay, incoming current is how much? I2, and outgoing is I3 and 4 ampere. Clear? Our target Vx and Vy. Okay, so first of all, if you apply KCL, then written like that one. Now what about I1, what about I2, and what about I3? Simply I know that here R, here suppose that A, and this one is a B terminal. Here current I. So what about I? I is written as VA minus VB divided by how much? R. Clear? Okay. VA minus VB, higher voltage minus lower voltage divided by what about resistance? Okay, so if that concept apply here, this one is A and this one is B. Okay, so you can write now 1 this equal to I1 is how much? Vx minus what about that voltage? 0, because reference node. Okay, this one is a 0 volt. Here 0, so write 0, and this one is a 0 voltage. Divide by 2 ohm plus what about I2? Vx minus Vy. This one it is very simple. Vx minus Vy divided by 6. Okay. Now after that multiply 6 in both side. Then this one it is 6. This will equal to 3Vx plus Vx minus Vy. So 6 this will equal to 4Vx minus Vy. This will equal to equation number 1. Okay. This one is the equation number 1. After that, now next target. Now using this equation, okay, I2 is also written as, look here, I2 is also Vx minus Vy, divided by 6. This will equal to I3 is how much? Vy minus 0, Vy minus 0 divided by 7 ohm plus 4. Okay, now if multiply 6 left hand side and no, if you multiply here 7, so 7Vx minus 7Vy, and here multiply 6, so 6Vy plus 7 into 4 into 6, 7 into 4 into 6. Okay, okay, now next, that is 7Vx minus 13 Vy. This will equal to 28 into 6. Equation number 2, and this one is equation number 1. Now from 1 and 2, what about Vy? Vy basically 4Vx minus 6. If that value put here, okay, if that value put here, then we got 7 into Vx minus 13, 4Vx minus 6. This will equal to 28 into 6. After that, 7 minus 13 into 52 into Vx. This will equal to 28 into 6 minus 78. Okay, so what about Vx? Vx is basically how much? 78 minus, you can use with the, you can do this question with the help of calculator. What about that value? Vx is 28 into 6 minus 78. Then how much? 28 into 6 minus 78 is how much? 90. 90 divided by minus 45. Okay, 45. So V1 is Vx, this will equal to how much? Minus 2 volt. I hope so clear. Vx is how much? Simply minus 2 volt. Okay, Vx is how much? Minus 2 volt. After that, next target, what about Vy? If that value put in equation number 1, then we got Vy is how much? 4 into Vx minus 2, here 6, minus 14 volt. So Vy this will equal to minus 14 volt is the right answer. Make it. So Vx and Vy is how much? Vx is minus 6 volt and Vy is minus 14 volt. Okay. If any queries related to that topic, then comment it. I will discuss again. Okay, I will check. If anyone faces any doubt at any step, okay. Are you so clear? How can determine Vx and Vy? Okay. How can determine Vx and Vy? If anyone faces any doubt, okay, then comment it. I will discuss again.